rain, adventure time for sure. Shrink down small, we start to fly. Magic sparkles in the sky. Evaporation, sun shines bright above the sea. Water rises wild and free. Evaporation lifts so high, little drops float in the sky. Condensation, way up high where air gets cold. Drops come close, clouds unfold. Condensation, soft and white. Fluffy clouds in gentle light. Precipitation, cloud grows heavy, full of drops. Rain falls down, plink, plink, plop. Precipitation, drip, drip, drop. Rain comes down, never stops. Collection, water runs to streams and creeks, rivers, lakes. Nature speaks. Collection sends water home, back to oceans, splash and foam. Cycle recap, round and round the cycle goes. That's how water travels, flows. Evaporation, up we fly. Condensation, clouds in the skies. Precipitation, rain falls low. Collection, rivers flow. Naya cheers, hooray, we know. A.I.D.A.N smiles. Watch us grow.